Hello everyone, welcome to Cybrosys Technologies. In today's video, we'll be discussing about how to backup and restore the Odoo database using the DEM method. So currently you can see the oil ERP over here. So inside the oil ERP, you can see the dashboard and the modules which we included over here. So we are going to manage the the backupping and restoring of this database using the temp file. So we can manage it from both the UI as well as from the terminal. So let's move on to manage databases over here. Let me click on backup and provide the password over here. And later on, you can just choose the backup method, that is a PG dump custom format without Filestore. And afterwards, you can click on backup and you can just restore this right now over here. So upon clicking on download, here you can see that the file will be downloaded. Now we just need to restore this. Okay, to restore the item, you can just move on to restore database and you need to provide the password over here and you need to choose the database. Okay, so as I just move on to the downloads, you would be able to find the file which is being downloaded, which is the oil ERP, and I'll be using the file over here. And once it's done, you can provide the name of the database. So let's say oil ERP uh, restore 1. Okay, and afterwards I'll be using the neutralize field. So we have already discussed about what is neutralize in the previous video, and we have already done a video on how to backup and restore the Odoo database using the using the zip file in the previous video, as well as with the dump.sql. So if you have any doubt regarding those methods and these fields such as the neutralize and the database is to copy and the database was moved, you can just watch the video and just get the clarity regarding this portion. So the Odoo needs to know the database is a copy, and now you can choose this when you just restored a backup to create a test environment, or you just need to duplicate a production database and you are not sure how the database got there, or you imported a database into new Odoo SH branch and all. And Odoo generate a unique database identify if you're just using this database was moved, and the original database will no longer exist and you physically transfer the database from one server to another database. But right now I just want to use this database for my testing purposes and I'll be using this option, and let's click on continue. And you can see that the database will be restored over here. So let's refresh everything and you can see that we can just restore the database in the frame UI using the term method. And as you just move on to the admin, like when you just log into the database, you can see that the file store will not be updated over here because no file store will be added in the temp file. Now if you just want to load the file store, you can just move on to the apps over here, and you can see that we can just we can just update the base file over here. Okay, so let's upgrade the base. And once you upgrade the base, you can see that the file store will be loaded over here and the image of all these apps will be updated. So let's wait for a while. Now here you can see that as we just upgrade the base, the file store is restored over here. And now let's see how can we just backup and restore the Odoo database using the term method through the terminal. So for that you can just move on to the files over here, and under it we have the downloads, and from here you can find the file which is oil ERP. Now let me open it in the terminal. So upon opening it in the terminal, first we just need to log in as the Postgres user. So I'll be providing it as sudo su postgres. Once it's done, you need to provide the password, and afterwards we need to create a database in order to restore the Odoo database. Okay, so in order to create a new database, you can use create db minus capital letter O, and you need to provide the DB user. So my DB user is Odoo 19. You can just get the DB user and provide a new name provide a name for your new database. So new restore oil ERP as the name of my database, and I'll be clicking on enter in order to create this one. So once it's done, you can just move on to here, and let's log out and let's see whether the database is created. So here you can see that the database is created, which is new restore oil ERP. Now into this we'll be restoring the file. So in order to restore into this, we just need to use another command over here. So I'll be using the command as pg restore, and you can use -d, then provide the name of your database. So here you can see that the name of the database is new restore. Actually, it's a restore due to this spelling mistake. It went like a return. So currently, let me use it. Okay. And let me provide the name of the database. Now, here we need to provide the path of the database. So in order to get the path, you can just move on to the files over here and use the right button. And from there, you can use Control C over here, or simply use a copy over there. And let's move on to the terminal. Now, let me use Control Shift V, and here you can get the path over here from oil ERP. Yeah, it's done, and click on enter. So you can see that currently we have restored the database into the newly created database. Okay, so let's move on to the let's move on to here, and let's refresh everything. Okay, and you can see that currently we have restored, and as you just move on to new restore oil ERP, you can see that it will be backed over here. Okay, we have just done with it, and we have successfully back up the oil ERP into here. So here you can see that the file store is not updated. This is because when you just try to back up the Odoo database using the dumb method, the file store will not be getting over there. And if you just want to get the file store, you just need to manually manage it. So it's that simple to manage the backup and restore of Odoo database using the dumb method. And that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.